Have you ever wondered how the idea of exploring Mars with rovers came to be? It's a tale of innovation, daring, and a thirst for knowledge. Our story begins in the late 90s, with a dream of exploring the Martian surface up close, a feat that had never been attempted before. NASA's Jet Propulsion Laboratory, or JPL, was the place where this dream started to take form. A group of talented scientists and engineers, led by the project's principal investigator, Steve Squires, began brainstorming the concept of a Mars rover. Mars was chosen as the destination for a couple of reasons. First, it's relatively close to us, at least in astronomical terms. Second, and more importantly, Mars has always held our curiosity with its striking similarities to Earth. Could it have once harbored life? Could it still? These were the questions that propelled the project forward. The planning phase was extensive and meticulous. The rover needed to be capable of surviving the harsh Martian environment, while also being equipped with the right tools to conduct meaningful scientific research. The team had to consider every single detail, from the rover's design and power source to the instruments it would carry. The rover's objectives were clear. It was to study the history of water on Mars, the planet's geology, and its potential for supporting life, both past and present. The rover was also tasked with paving the way for future human missions to Mars. The project was a monumental undertaking, both in terms of time and money. It took about 3 years and $400 million to bring the rover from concept to reality. But it was an investment that many believed was worth every penny, as the potential scientific returns were immense. And so, after countless hours of planning, designing, and testing, the Spirit rover was finally ready. It was a marvel of engineering, packed with state-of-the-art instruments and capable of traversing the harsh Martian terrain. And thus, the Spirit rover was born, a brainchild of many bright minds, ready to take on the Red Planet. So, what does it take to build a rover capable of withstanding the harsh Martian environment? Well, it begins with a team of dedicated scientists, engineers, and technicians who put their heads together to create a design that is both durable and technologically advanced. The Spirit rover, a 6-wheeled robotic vehicle, was built to be a mobile geologist, capable of navigating the rocky Martian terrain while carrying out its mission to search for signs of water. The body of Spirit, also known as the Warm Electronics Box, is a lightweight structure made of a composite material, a combination of aluminum, titanium, and carbon fiber. This was designed to protect the rover's vital systems from temperature extremes, radiation, and Martian dust. Spirit comes equipped with an array of scientific instruments, including cameras for navigation and scientific research, spectrometers, and a microscopic imager for studying rocks and soil at a close range, a rock abrasion tool for exposing fresh rock surfaces, and a thermal emission spectrometer to identify minerals in rocks and soils. The rover is powered by solar panels which charge its batteries. But during the Martian winter, when sunlight is scarce, Spirit hibernates, waking up when sunlight is available to recharge its batteries. One of the most critical features of Spirit is its mobility system, which allows it to traverse over a variety of terrain. Each wheel can be individually steered and driven, allowing the rover to turn in place, a capability crucial for navigating around obstacles. And what about the cost? The Spirit rover, including its research, development, launch, and operational costs, came to a total of approximately $400 million. A hefty price tag indeed, but the wealth of knowledge gained from this mission is truly priceless. A rover built for Mars, but how did it get there? An intriguing question indeed. The journey of Spirit rover started on a sunny day in June 2003. It was launched atop a Delta II rocket, a marvel of human engineering. As Spirit left Earth, it embarked on a 7-month journey through the cold, unforgiving expanse of space, covering a staggering distance of about 304 million miles. The navigation team meticulously guided Spirit, ensuring it stayed on course, facing numerous challenges, including solar radiation and the vast, empty void of space. Upon reaching Mars, Spirit had to endure the 7 minutes of terror, the entry, descent, and landing phase. This was a crucial moment, as any miscalculation could lead to a catastrophic failure. But against all odds, Spirit, with its heat shield, parachute, and airbags, touched down safely on the Red Planet. Despite the odds, Spirit made a successful landing, ready to begin its mission. Now on Mars, what was Spirit tasked with? Well, Spirit, the brave and pioneering rover, had a mission that was scientific and exploratory in nature. Its primary objective was to search for and characterize a wide range of rocks and soils that hold clues to past water activity on Mars. The rover was to investigate these materials for clues about the climatic and geological history of the red planet. It was a mission of discovery, seeking answers to questions that have intrigued scientists for decades. But how did Spirit go about achieving its mission? The rover was equipped with a scientific toolkit that would make any geologist green with envy. It had a rock abrasion tool, spectrometers, cameras, and a microscopic imager, among other instruments. These tools were used to probe rocks and soil, analyze their composition, and send data back to Earth. In the early days of its mission, Spirit sent back stunning images of the Martian terrain. These images, crisp and clear, showcased a landscape both alien and strangely familiar. They revealed a world of rust-red plains, towering hills, and deep craters, a topography sculpted by eons of cosmic forces. Spirit also sent back valuable data. Within weeks of landing, it discovered evidence of past water activity on Mars. It found rocks and soil rich in minerals that form in water, suggesting that Mars once had a wetter, possibly warmer environment. The rover's mission was not without challenges. The harsh Martian environment tested Spirit's resilience. Dust storms, extreme temperatures, and rough terrain were all part of the rover's daily reality. Yet, Spirit persevered, continuing to send valuable data back to Earth. As the days turned into weeks, and the weeks into months, Spirit continued to explore, to probe, to analyze. It was a tiny explorer in a vast alien world, its every discovery shedding light on the mysteries of Mars. Spirit was performing beyond expectations, revealing secrets of the red planet. What did Spirit find on Mars, and what challenges did it face? This is a question that has intrigued many. One of Spirit's significant discoveries was evidence of past water activity on Mars. It's a find that sparked a lot of excitement among scientists. Unearthed in a place named Columbia Hills, Spirit found a type of rock called opaline silica. This material typically forms in hot spring environments where water is present. This discovery suggested that Mars, at some point in its history, had conditions that could potentially support life. But the Spirit rover was not just about discoveries. It was a saga of resilience and fortitude in the face of numerous challenges. One of the most significant hurdles it faced was the Martian dust storms. These storms filled the Martian atmosphere with dust, blocking sunlight and making it difficult for the rover's solar panels to generate power. In addition to the harsh Martian weather, Spirit also dealt with its share of technical issues. In 2006, one of Spirit's wheels stopped working, hindering its mobility. Instead of giving up, engineers on Earth turned this problem into an opportunity. They commanded Spirit to drive backward, dragging the stuck wheel behind. This accidental strategy led to the discovery of bright soils that hinted at past water activity on Mars, a testament to the rover's resilience. Moreover, Spirit had to endure the extreme cold of Martian winters. With temperatures dropping as low as -100 degrees Celsius, the rover had to hibernate, conserving energy and waiting for warmer conditions to resume its exploration. But the Spirit rover remained undeterred. Despite the harsh weather, technical glitches, and the extreme cold, it continued its mission, exploring the red planet and sending valuable data back to Earth. It was a mission that expanded our understanding of Mars and brought us one step closer to answering the question, is there life beyond Earth? Despite the challenges, Spirit continued to explore and send valuable data back to Earth. The legacy of Spirit is one of resilience, discovery, and the relentless pursuit of knowledge. Every mission has an end, and for Spirit it came sooner than expected. The fearless rover, after 6 years of relentless exploration, finally succumbed to Mars's harsh environment. A harsh Martian winter, coupled with an unfortunate sand trap, immobilized Spirit, marking a poignant end to its journey. Despite numerous attempts, contact with Spirit was lost, and in May of 2011, NASA officially ended the recovery efforts. Yet, the rover's mission was far from a failure. Spirit had outlived its planned 90-day mission by over 20 times, making significant discoveries that reshaped our understanding of the red planet. Spirit discovered evidence of past water activity, identified a variety of rocks and soils, and captured stunning panoramas of Mars's barren yet beautiful landscape. The rover's legacy lives on, paving the way for future missions and leaving an indelible mark on space exploration. Though its mission ended, Spirit's contribution to our understanding of Mars remains invaluable and continues to inspire future Mars missions.